the biggest mistake that any GME aspirant makes is that they know that they are eligible for A grade shipping companies, but they do not study well, and then they think अरे A grade नहीं होगा, cannot, then they try to go for B grade, and then they finally they settle for C grade shipping companies. Like I'll tell you, देहरादून में क्या होता है, when we pass out from class 12th we want to join IIT, and then we see अरे IIT तो नहीं होगा, then what we do is we try for NIT, अरे NIT तो नहीं होगा, and then we join a local college in Dehradun, happy. So what we did was, aim was IIT, we tried, we did not work hard, we fall, but we did not change the strategy. Aim should not change. So my friends, if you are eligible for any top-notch shipping companies or colleges like Anglo, IMS Goa or MSC Shipping Company, IMEC, 7 islands for V-Ships and C-Span, as per the college portals link right now, these are the top-notch shipping companies that I am recommended as of now, or IMEC Council. So if you are eligible, then you have to join these companies, because some of the companies that I am not recommended, they have got very high waiting period. So if you are not eligible, then you cannot do anything, then you go for these companies. But if you are eligible and you are not joining these companies, you are making the biggest mistake of your life. So now sir, okay sir, I am eligible for these 5 shipping companies, I will join, but from where to study? Well guys, you will have to invest. The first thing that you can do is, if you feel ki sir I can study online, today to sab kuch badal gaya, even though I am a big fan of offline coaching, I believe offline matters, because that is where the real connection happens, that is where the real trust is made, that is where the real bond is made. But still, if you want to go for online course, the link is given below. GME Excellence Package is there. It has got more than 50 hours of content. This is what is being asked in various shipping companies, whether in their online test as well as their interview. When you buy this course, you will be added into a community group where various GME aspirants are preparing. You can take their help as well. So you will get to know which college form is coming out and you can prepare. But for online course, you have to be highly motivated and you will get results. Many students are getting result. But say you feel that I am not highly motivated, I want to give my best shot. Sir, offline coaching, then SMVD Marine Academy by Vikas sir is running right now in Dehradun. It's a part of Merchant Navy Decoded. You can join there. They have given fantabulous results. The contact number of SMVD Marine Academy you can see down below over here for a few seconds. Please go ahead, join and give your best shot. If you want to prepare online, GME Excellence Package makes complete sense. If still you have doubt and you are thinking, yaar, whether I should invest or not, you are most welcome to call right now on Merchant Navy Decoded number. This is out here. We will help you, give you the best guidance possible. With this, all I can say is, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.